Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on 23 LMR, which is the building that we are looking at now. Now this is a 5-story building located in New Kingston. Now to the right of it is Trafalgar 1. It's two separate developments. This one is 23 LMR and the one to the right is Trafalgar 1. From a distance, they look like it's one big development, but it's actually two separate buildings. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this building. In recent years, Kingston has experienced a steady transformation driven by private investment, infrastructure upgrades, and a rising demand for high-quality commercial real estate. Among the most prominent additions to this evolving urban landscape is 23 Lady Musgrave Road, a 5-story boutique office complex situated in the prestigious business district of New Kingston, St. Andrew. More than just another office building, 23 LMR represents a new standard of small to mid-sized corporate infrastructure in Jamaica, a blend of modern functionality, strategic location, and design efficiency. Strategically located along Lady Musgrave Road, 23 LMR stands at the crossroads of Kingston's commercial and diplomatic zones. This address places tenants within easy access of the United States Embassy, major banking institutions, high-end restaurants, and other upscale commercial centers. Its position reflects the growing desirability of Lady Musgrave Road as a quieter, more refined alternative to the busier Trafalgar and Knutsford corridors. The building itself comprises approximately 16,000 square feet of premium rentable space distributed across 5 levels, including basement parking. Designed to appeal to professional service firms, consultancies, and startups seeking modern office environments, the development incorporates key amenities such as elevator access, backup water storage, surface and basement parking for more than 50 vehicles, and commercial-grade HVAC systems. These features mark a significant upgrade over many older office properties in Kingston, many of which struggle to meet the needs of 21st century businesses. One of the most appealing aspects of 23 LMR is its scale and flexibility. Unlike mega towers, which often price out small firms, this building is purpose-built to serve medium-sized enterprises that require professionalism without excessive overhead. The building also aligns with the government's push towards encouraging high-efficiency urban redevelopment along major corridors in the corporate area such as Lady Musgrave Road, Hope Road, and Oxford Road. Furthermore, the architectural style and compact footprint of 23 LMR reflects broader global trends in commercial real estate, emphasizing sustainable use of space, security, and comfort. While not labeled as green, the building's efficient design and modern systems will likely allow tenants to benefit from lower operational costs and improved working conditions. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.